All right, so I'm gonna show y'all how to do power steering pump pulley installation. So you get one of these kits here, which is 27031, and then you'll start off by putting the bolt straight through. You dial this back, grab these, and you're gonna make sure that they match that way, not this way, this way. So you put it over it like that. You take the sleeve, slide it over, and you'll just spin it until it gets straight. Make sure that it's straight going on. This thing is plastic, you don't want to do it wrong. Out of this on, you put the 17 here, you put the 14 here. Really, it'd be better, a little better if I had that. And you just turn. So you don't want to go on too hard because then it won't spin or it won't be even. So what you'll do is halfway through, or when you think it's close, you'll go backwards with it and take it off. That way you'll be able to look and see I still got room to go. So put it back on. All right. That's pretty close there. You can already see it getting close to the back. So you go in the opposite direction. Yeah, you'll go in the opposite direction and check your work. Yeah, that's perfect. See? You see where it's even here? You see? You can see right there where it's exactly even. And all you gotta do, get the tool out. Am I going the wrong way? Yeah. All right. See? It's on there perfectly. Then, when you go to install, well, to take one off, it's different. You spin this one all the way to the bottom, all the way to its flush. Grab the same tool, but you do it the opposite way. So now you're using the open end. Use this end to go on the back. Slip that in there like that. Push that over like that. Then you just turn it in a loosened position. You see it's getting tight. And you'll just hold this in place and you'll turn counterclockwise until it pulls the whole thing off. That's it.